Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit 9. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Krita on Mac OS. First, open your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you prefer. In the address bar, type krita.org and press Enter. This will take you to the official Krita website. It's always best to download software from the official website to ensure you're getting the latest and safest version. Once you're on the Krita homepage, look for the Download button at the top of the page and click on it. You'll now be on the Downloads page with various options available. Since we're installing Krita on a Mac, select the Mac OS option. You should see a button that says Download Krita macOS Installer. Go ahead and click on it to start the download. The download should begin shortly. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. While it's downloading, let me tell you a little bit about Krita. Krita is a powerful open-source painting program that's great for both beginners and professional artists. It's especially popular for digital painting, concept art, and illustration. Once the download is complete, you'll find the .dmg file in your Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder and double-click on the kritax.xx.emg file. The numbers in the file name will vary depending on the latest version available. A new window will pop up showing the Krita application icon. To install Krita, simply drag the Krita icon into the Applications folder that appears in the same window. This process will copy Krita to your Applications folder, making it accessible like any other app on your Mac. After the copy is complete, you can close the window and open your Applications folder. Look for Krita and double-click the icon to launch the program. macOS might show a warning that Krita is an application downloaded from the internet. To proceed, just click Open, and that's it. Krita is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. You can start creating right away. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!